Hey friends, if you wish to install Realtek microphone drivers on Windows, then please watch this video. But before I start this video, I want to give a confirmation that you may or may not be able to do it. It also depends on the system. So here's what you can do. Search for Realtek microphone drivers in your browser and hit enter. Now you can scroll down and you'll find the Realtek high definition audio drivers. There are no microphone drivers as such, they are only audio drivers which are both for the microphone and the output. So click on this one, click on download, accept the terms and agreement, okay, and then click on save as. Don't click on open, click on save as, and then you can select a good location. I'll select desktop and then select it there. Now go to the desktop, right click on this and select extract all, and then extract it and let it get extracted completely. Okay, once it is extracted, now you can find the setup file and double click on the setup application and let it update, set it up on your system. Okay, that's it. It just needs a file for this, and then it is set up. All you need to do is keep on pressing next and it will install the Realtek drivers on your system. But just because it installs the Realtek drivers does not mean that it also installs the Realtek application, but it may be useful in many cases. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.